Let's explore the user interface of Adobe Camera Raw. We are in Adobe Bridge right now, and this is the image we have seen in our previous tutorial. Let's open that in Camera Raw. So this is Camera Raw, and the user interface is quite intuitive. You can click on this button that will toggle it to the full screen mode. You can click the same button back to close the full screen mode. Now all the tools that you need is at the top. The first is the zoom tool, and the keyboard shortcut is Z. If you click on the image, it will zoom in to that particular path. When you zoom in, you can use the hand tool to navigate and scroll around the image. You can also zoom in and out using this option over here. You will click on Fit in View, so this way you will be able to see the whole image. This is white balance, color sampler, targeted adjustment tool, crop tool, and all these tools, including the preferences and some rotating tools. So these are the basic tools that we will use in Camera Raw. This button over here is used to open an image. If you press Alt key on your keyboard, it will open up a copy, and this will become a reset button. If you leave the button Alt from your keyboard, the option will become cancel. So if you don't want to save any of the changes, you can just click on cancel and you'll be back to the bridge. When you are done finishing these files in Camera Raw, you can go ahead and click on done to go back to Bridge or Photoshop. Now this is a color view. This is the panels. First one is basic. In here there are a lot of options and they are very useful. Let's explore them. You can adjust the temperature of the image, and as you see, when I scroll around, there is a change in the colors that you can see in this graph. So this way you can adjust the colors in your image. At any point of time, if you want this to be reset, you just double click on the scroller. The same way with tint, and double click on that to get back. Exposure, if you want to add more exposure to this image, you just do it by scrolling it at the right side. If you want to lower the exposure, you move it to the left side. You double click on that and it will be back. If you click on default, it will go back. The same way with contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, and the clarity, vibrance and saturation of the image. We will learn all of this in great detail in the upcoming videos. For now, remember this. This colored graph is called histogram, and it is very useful to monitor the color effects. For example, if I increase my whites far more to right, you can see this wall is raising. This means I am using too much white color in the image, so that I am losing some details. I'll double click on this to get back, and now the wall is gone. So this way you will be able to monitor the image and create the best image you can. Just like the basic panel, you have other panels to do these kind of enhancement on your photograph and images. Just like the tone curve, the detailing where you can add sharpening and noise reduction to your image, HSL and grayscale to add hue, saturation and luminance, split toning, for adding hue and saturations in your highlights and shadows, lens corrections, effects, camera calibration, presets. So if you want to create any preset, you go here and click on this button. This will open up a dialog box like this where you can name your preset, and snapshots. So these are the panels that we are going to explore in the upcoming lessons.